Okay, now let's have a look at conference calls. With our system, you can have as many participants in the conference call as you like. You achieve this by dialing any number in the world, not only in your own office, then transferring that call to the conference room. I'll show you that now. Hello, Damien? Yes, hi. I'm just going to transfer your call to the conference room now.
After the tone, say your name and then press the pound key.
Damien.
Thank you. You are currently the only person in this conference.
We now have one person in the conference room, and I can add a second. I'll do that now. Hello? Hi, I'm going to transfer you to the conference room. One moment. I've now added a second person to the conference room, and now I will join it myself and we can discuss this.
After the tone, say your name and then press the pound key.
Anthony.
Thank you. There are currently 2 other participants in the conference.
We have now joined the conference room altogether. All the participants are now in the conference call and we can talk to each other. Damien, are you there? Nikolai, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, Damien, you can now hang up, please.
Damien.
Has left the conference.
And now Nikolai, please hang up.
Okay. Nikolai.
Has left the conference.
I will now exit the conference room myself. And the conference call is complete. Another useful feature for the office environment is the paging and intercom. The paging system will allow you to broadcast your voice throughout the office, even if it's a remote office, and the intercom system will allow people to respond to it. I'll demonstrate that for you right now. Hello, can please everyone come to the reception? Thank you. As you now have seen, this phone was able to transmit my voice without it being touched at all.
Okay, that's all great. What are these buttons here for?
Okay, they're actually busy line feed indicators, or BLF. They show the status of remote extensions. They have 3 different states. Firstly, they can be solid green, which simply indicates the extension is available. Secondly, they can be solid red, which indicates that the extension is engaged. Lastly, the indicator can be flashing red, which means the actual extension is ringing, which is an advantage simply because you can pick up the actual call from wherever you are. You don't actually have to run over to the physical handset. With our system, you can actually record the calls. This can be set up in one of 2 ways. Firstly, you can set the system to record all calls. Secondly, you can set the system to record calls on demand. This can be done by pressing the *1 buttons on your phone during the conversation. You can then retrieve the recordings through the web browser on your computer. I'll now demonstrate this by calling Damien. Hi Damien, it's Anthony, how are you? Good, thank you. How's the weather over there? Excellent. Alright, thanks very much. Bye. This is the web browser interface for the system. From here, you can play the recording back or download the recording to your computer. I'll show you how to play the recording back.
Hello, Damien speaking.
Hi, Damien. Anthony, how are you?
Yeah, not too bad yourself.
Good, thank you. How's the weather over there?
Yeah, not too bad, yeah.
Excellent. Thanks very much.
Okay, no worries.
The benefits of our hosted PBX system is not only its functionality, but also its reliability. If you have a PBX in your office, you probably already know that if you lose power, even for a little bit, your system goes down and you can't make calls. If you have a proprietary VoIP PBX, then it is also very vulnerable to internet outages. With our hosted PBX, even if your internet is down, you can still receive calls on your mobile, as we've already seen. Our system is hosted in a state-of-the-art data center with redundant internet links. There is also actually a triple redundancy, 2 separate fiber optic cables from different ISPs, and 1 microwave gigabit link. We also have power generators, automatic server failover, and all our servers are regularly maintained by qualified technicians. All this means that even if your internet or power goes down, the phone system will be online and you'll never miss a call.
Okay, this is all fantastic. Its functions, ease of use, reliability, but what about cost?
Okay, first let's consider the costs associated with using a traditional office PBX. You have to pay for the PBX itself, you pay for the maintenance contract, you pay for software upgrades, and you pay for the phone company's phone lines. You also pay top rates for local, STD and mobile calls, and if you need to make a change or add a phone, you pay for that too. Now, after all this, if something goes wrong, do you know who to call? The phone company? The PBX vendor? It's a pretty big hassle. Now with a VoIP line hosted PBX solution, all you have to pay is a small setup fee that will cover initial configuration of your PBX and an affordable price per extension per month. That's it. No maintenance contracts, no line rentals, no expensive PBX equipment. It's cheaper, simpler, and far more functional compared to your old PBX. Just switch to VoIP line hosted PBX system and start enjoying the rich functionality, reliability, those big savings from day one. You can even keep your existing phone numbers. Thank you very much for watching, and remember, efficient communication solutions are the key to any successful organisation between customers, suppliers, and your staff. If you're not up to date on the latest communication solutions, your organisation risks getting left behind. We look forward to helping your business with this competitive advantage with our cutting-edge system.